How you doing, guys, and welcome back to another episode. This week I've stayed off the hills and we've done something a bit different. Like I say, I wanted to show you some more things to do in Scotland, and that's what my channel's all about. And this week we have visited the Scottish International Airshow. I was there last year, I caught the Sunday. This year I had a bit more planning and I actually got there for the Saturday. We were there for the whole day. It was absolutely superb in the end. It actually started off really wet and miserable, and we actually got delayed. We thought this isn't going to go ahead. Said a wee prayer, and thankfully the clouds parted.
It's looking a bit better now. Same from out here.
You can see mountain now.
State of this. I think we've seen more seagulls and planes already. 100%.
So anybody that's into aircraft, this is a brilliant show. It's getting better and better every year. I think a couple of years ago they'd done a twilight display, but yeah, it was brilliant. So like I said, it was looking miserable. We thought it was going to get rained off, but then out of nowhere, the Eurofighter Typhoon came in and just absolutely started the show off with a bang, literally. You cannot get the sense of how powerful these things are through this vlog. You need to be there and you actually feel the power of the engines and the noise that they make. It's just absolutely astounding. So once the Eurofighter came in, there was another wee break and we had a couple of displays. The stunt planes were brilliant. Not as impressive for me as the jets and everything. There was another jet to follow later on. The Hornet was coming up, but yeah, the stunt planes came in, and not taking anything away from them, they're absolutely such skilled pilots. They're amazing. And again, I'll put up some footage there just now and I'll show you they were doing all sorts of things where they were taking the planes up and they were suspending them in the sky, doing all sorts of flips, and they're going to fall to the ground and then save it at the last minute. And they also had a little thing, what was it, an auto gyro. It's kind of like a flying car. It's probably, I don't know, but that was quite impressive. It was the guy flying that was doing some tricks, etc. Yeah, it was a brilliant day. We had a little break, got some lunch, went around some of the stalls. There's some classic cars there, some supercars, loads of displays like the military, etc. And then it was on to the main event. The Hornet came in, and again, like the Typhoon, it came in and just blasted the area. It was so noisy, so powerful. It done a good 5-10 minutes of display and then shot off into the clouds. And then to finish things off, as always, you cannot have a display in the UK without having the Red Arrows. Absolutely superb. They're just, the formations they fly, they're so tight, it's absolutely brilliant. And if you're someone like me and you like to watch these kind of things, they do not disappoint. The weather had turned, it was just perfect. And I think that the best way to end this vlog is to give you a display, or show you the best bits from the Red Arrows. But if you want to go to the air show, I'll be back next year, 2019, about the start of September, they're already in planning for next year, and they're talking about doing a twilight show. So that's where they have the planes just before it's dark with all their lights on and shoot fireworks off the wings, etc. It's just going to be another amazing display. So yeah, check it out. And to finish off, here are the highlights of the Red Arrows, and they're just an amazing display. Take care and see you next time.